On this episode of Zen Glide with Ryan, I'm going to teach you the art of the flip turn. Stay tuned. With your eyes pointed down, looking at the black center line, make sure to keep as streamlined as possible. As you approach the wall, look down, fix your eyes on the black cross T, and then begin your somersault. Keeping your head down, lock your arms in the streamlined position and push off the wall on your back. As you push off, ensure you are streamlined on your back. With your arms fully locked and in the streamlined position, twist at your core so you corkscrew flat on your stomach. Take your first breath once you have cleared the flags.